I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and your skin and hair might be warning you about deeper health issues. Here's how to read them. Subscribe if you want clear, no-fluff explanations about what your skin and hair are really saying, why this matters. Your skin is your largest organ. It often shows signs of deeper health problems before anything else does. Paying attention early can help you catch things faster. Here's why I always tell my patients to listen to their skin. If you've been noticing these signs, in addition to seeing me as a patient, if you live in a state where I don't have a license, you can book a 30-minute consultation with me. This is not a medical diagnosis or a treatment, but I can help you understand what your signs might mean. I can help you know what kinds of tests to ask your doctor about, and I can help you figure out your next steps so you don't feel stuck guessing. So let's talk about hair loss around the crown of the scalp. Hair loss around the crown of the scalp is a clue about your hormones and can be a clue about fibroids too. Some types of hair loss, especially at the crown, can be linked to hormonal changes or uterine fibroids in women. Hair loss doesn't cause fibroids, nor do fibroids cause hair loss. But it can be a clue to check your health more closely. If your hair is thinning at the top, it's worth talking to your doctor. And the same may be true with keloids. Keloids are overactive healing or high inflammation. If you scar easily with thick raised scars, which are called keloids, your body might be overreacting when it heals. This can be related to your genetics or higher levels of inflammation. It's not your fault, but it is something to watch for, especially before piercings or surgery. A tendency to keloid may also be associated with certain types of hair loss, such as CCCA. Dark patches on the neck, that could be possible blood sugar issues. A dark velvety patch on your neck or under your arms can be a sign of prediabetes or high blood sugar. Many people don't realize that this can show up before diabetes is diagnosed. It's a sign to get checked, not something to just scrub away. Ask your doctor to check your hemoglobin A1C or fasting glucose. One thing I see all the time in my clinic are people with hair loss who just looked at it as a vanity issue, not realizing that they may have autoimmune thyroid disease that wouldn't be detected with routine thyroid function tests or a very specific nutritional deficiency. Another example is of women with a known history of fibroids not realizing that they are at increased risk of CCCA, which is the type of hair loss, from their tight hairstyles. Or I even sometimes see people with a history of breast cancer not realizing that they are at increased risk of skin cancer. Not every change in your skin and hair, however, means that there's something serious going on. Dry skin doesn't always mean thyroid disease. Dark patches don't always mean diabetes. Hair loss isn't always a nutritional deficiency, thyroid disease, or even permanent. These are just clues, not always a diagnosis. The earlier you check, however, the more options you have, and often things can be treated or improved. So if you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos like this. Simple, real explanations about your skin and hair and what they're telling you. And if you're ready for more clarity, book a consultation so you can walk through your specific signs and next steps together. No guessing, no panic. Remember, unless you're working with me in a state where I have a license, this is not medical care. It's a way to get expert guidance before your next appointment.